Good evening, students. Here is a question which is age related logical reasoning. Age of x is greater than 4 by 5th age of y by 4, and age of x is less than 6 by 5th age of z by 4. If y is 35 years old, then find x plus y plus z. That means we have to find sum of all the three ages. So now this problem to be solved in this way, as x is greater than 4/5 age of y by 4. So from first condition x is equals to 4/5 of y plus 4, because this is greater than 4/5 age of y by 4. That's why x is equals to 4/5 of y plus 4. But we are provided that y is 35 years old, so x is equals to 4/5 into 35 plus 4. So x is equals to 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, so 4 into 7 plus 4. So x is equals to 7 fours are 28 plus 4. So x is equals to 32 years. Now we are having value of x, also value of y as 35. Now we have to find only the z. So for that we use this second statement, that is age of x is less than 6/5 age of z by 4. So this can be from second statement we can write equation in terms of x is equals to 6/5 age of z, that is 6/5 of into z minus 4, as it is given that it is less than z, less than 6/5 of z by 4. That's why we take here minus 4. So x is equals to 6/5 age of z minus 4. As we know value of x is 32, put x equals to 32 as we have already found it. So 32 is equals to 6z upon 5 minus 4 by 1. This 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Now taking cross multiplication, 32 is equals to 6z into 1 is 6z minus 5 into 4 is 20 divided by 5 into 1 is 5. Now this 5 transfers to left side. So 32 into 5 is equals to 6z minus 20. So 32 into 5 is 2 5s are 10, carry on 1, 5 3s are 15, plus 1 is 16, 160. Now this 20 or first write 160 is equals to 6z minus 20. Now this minus 20 transfers to left side, so it is 160 plus 20 is equals to 6z. Now 180 is equals to 6z. So 6z is equals to 180. This is written by changing the sign. Now z is equals to 180 divided by 6. So z is equals to 6 ones are 6 threes are and 6 zeros are. So z is equals to 30 years. In this way we are having x equal to 32, y equal to 35 already given, and z equals to 30. So x plus y plus z is equals to 32 plus 35 and plus 30, which is equals to 97. It is 97 years. So answer is 97. Now in this way we can find answer very easily. Answer is 97 for this question. Now one more question is given. Third question. Sanika is younger than Prutha by 10 years. After 10 years, their total age will be minimum 50 years. Then what is Prutha's age? So we consider Sanika's today's age is as x and Prutha's today's age as y. So as it is given that Sanika is younger than Prutha by 10 years, means Sanika is younger and Prutha is older. So if we consider Prutha's age as y, then y is equals to x plus 10, as X is a Sanika's age and Prutha is 10 years older. That means Prutha's age will be 10 more than Sanika's age. So y is equals to x plus 10. We can write equation number 1. Now after 10 years what happens? Sanika's age will be x plus 10 as her today's age will be x. So after 10 years Sanika's age will be x plus 10 and Prutha's age at the same time it will be y plus 10 as her today's age is y. And it is also given that after 10 years their total age will be 50 years. So we can write x plus 10, this is Sanika's age after 10 years, and y plus 10 Prutha's age after 10 years, that is y plus 10. So x plus 10 plus y plus 10 is equals to 50. Now 10 plus 10 20, x plus y plus 20 is equals to 50. So x plus y is equals to 50 minus 20 as this 20 transfers to right side. So x plus y is equals to 30. Now we know from first equation y is equals to x plus 10. So put that value of y in equation number second. So x, this x as it is taken. Now put value of y as x plus 10 is equals to 30 as derived from equation 2. Now x plus x is 2x plus 10 is equals to 30. 2x is equals to 30 minus 10 as this 10 transfers to right side. So 2x is equals to 30 minus 10, 2x is equals to 20, x is equals to 20 upon 2. So x is equals to 10 years, which is Sanika's today's age. But we have to find Prutha's age. So we know equation number 1, y is equals to x plus 10, where y is Prutha's age. So y is equals to, we have found already x is equals to 10. So putting this value of x in this equation, y is equals to 10 plus 10 and y equals to 20 years, we get the answer, which is Prutha's age. Answer is 20 years. In this way we have to solve this problem.